Welcome to my channel. This is First Trading Guide, where we talk about how to make money online from cryptocurrency and other online business with zero risk. If you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video, and click on the like button. Share this video. Let's grow this channel together. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about arbitrage. So before I get started, I will talk about two things: online arbitrage and offline arbitrage, and I will also talk about product arbitrage. So don't be confused. Stay till the end of this video because all part of this video carry vital information. So let's get started into the video. So the last time I make a video on how to buy coin from trust wallet, some people was asking me, sending me message, I don't understand which card I work on it. So I will drop a link in the video description, so you join the WhatsApp group. That is a new WhatsApp group I create for, especially for arbitrage. So let's say you buy dollar. So you buy dollar at the rate of 410 naira per dollar. So you buy 98 USDT. That is 40,180 in Nigeria. 40,180 plus the charge will be 41,500, because they are going to charge you if you use that particular platform that I show you on the other video. So let's say you buy it like that, that is 41,500 naira. You went to Binance, say it there at the rate as of today, as the rate of 570 naira per dollar. So let's say 570 naira times 98 USDT that you bought from Trust Wallet. So it will give you 55,860 naira. 55,860 naira. So you now minus 41,500 from 55,860 naira. You are making profit of 14,360 naira. That's how arbitrage work. Buy the product or buy it lower amount and sell it higher amount. So let's talk about arbitrage product. So let's say you bought a shoe from any platform, but I normally use eBay. You bought a shoe from eBay at the rate of, let me say, 10,900 naira. Then you now sell the shoe. You are not going to sell the shoe at that particular rate, because you say more is this shoe. They will say, okay, 3,800. You now slap the shoe, say, okay, let me slap the shoe and show it to one of my friends. Because some people, if you tell them, see what I wanted to do, they will say, no, no, I can't give you my shoe to snap it, go and sell it, then you make profit from it. They will say no. So you have to use your sense and convince them. When you snap the shoe, if the man says 1,200, you are going to post it online on your profile piece. Like, let me say you post it, then you are selling it at 2,000 naira. You are making your profit. Is when the people pay you the money, you take it there, give it to the man, collect the shoe, and deliver it to the person. You are making your money. But that is not the main thing. We are going to use a platform called Warrior Pros. So that platform, I've made a lot of money from it, and that platform, they are very legit. If any person may purchase, you are going to see it live there. There's nothing like a network issue or they will run away with your money. And I will also show you how to get some of the product free of charge. You are not going to pay money. For those of you that don't like crypto, I will teach you how to buy any goods online, how to get free product and sell it, make money on that platform. And I will also teach you how to make money on Conga. So I've prepared a course for that will be coming up by next week. So you check in this video description. Make sure that you join the WhatsApp group. Share this video. When you join the WhatsApp group, you can send me message there in case you have any question. The registration fee is not costly, but I'm not going to drop it there. Join the WhatsApp group. All the information is on the WhatsApp. So, so that is that. And some people normally say, all these things you are saying, I don't believe it. You can see the amount I've made last month. That is last year. Last year, January, you can see the amount here. You can see the amount on the screen. The amount I have made from Binance. This is my Binance history. This is my Binance history. Because some people they like proof. That's why I'm showing this, but I don't like doing this. People that know me know that I don't like showing all those stuff online. But just for the purpose of this video. So thank you guys. Can you click on the subscribe button, share the video, click on the like button. Let's YouTube promote this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys.